From insecurity to the aftermath of a nationwide blackout, where a few days after electricity workers shut down the operations, the organized private sector has expressed disappointment with industrial action. According to experts, businesses across the country lost trillions of naira to the strike by the electricity workers. TVC News senior correspondent Sharon Ijason reports.
This offers us the opportunity to trash them out and even look at our 2019 agreement.
It's more than 24 hours since power was restored across Nigeria after a total blackout that lasted for a day. The blackout was occasioned by the strike embarked upon by members of the National Union of Electricity Employees. According to the workers, they have tried to reach out to government to fulfill the agreement it reached with the union since 2019.
We will not wait again for 1 year or 6 months or 2 years to renew our action if the contents of what we agree today are not implemented.
In fact, will you believe that even the same people that said they were going on strike yesterday, they actually came around to cut people's lights?
I had some private sectors lost over $70 billion because there's no light, no banks are there, insurance company is there, manufacturing company cannot produce because there is no light, and this is part of what destroyed the economy.
Reacting to the development, the Director General of the Nigeria Employers Consultative Association, NECA, said trillions of naira was lost to the blackouts despite availability of alternative sources of power.
It's unfortunate that we find ourselves in that situation where we have to shut down for one whole day, as report says. For those that could not meet up those, that could not live up to those, the financial burden of having your own steady power supply, then it creates a different dynamics for them, especially the MSMEs, the small and medium-scale enterprises.
The grievances of the electricity workers are the contravention of condition of service and career progression part of members by TCN management, stigmatization of staff working in the power sector by the Office of the Head of Service of the Federation, as well as refusal of market operators to fund payment of entitlement of disengaged staff of the defunct Power Holding Company of Nigeria (PHCN), as agreed in December 2019. Another issue is the implementation of strange memo by TCN on re-engagement of served staff of the defunct PHCN in the public service, which has become an instrument for victimization and disenfranchisement. Others include non-invitation of 67 managers and senior managers who are holders of NEPA training certificate for the 2021 promotion, as well as 196 system operators who are supposed to be promoted from system manager to principal manager after they passed the interview. Nigeria has struggled with poor electricity supply for decades. The government explained recently that it has been unable to raise power generation to 5,000 megawatts as promised in July due to gas supply constraints. Sharon Ijason, TVC News.